How does our brain work? Our brain is responsible for a lot of things, for our ability to think, feel, act, and a whole lot more. It is in charge of everything that goes on in our body. To understand what the brain does, let's begin by understanding its structure. The brain is divided into two sections called hemispheres. The right hemisphere is thought to be responsible for creative thinking and imagination, while the left is related to mathematics, logical thinking, and language. There are four regions of the brain known as lobes. These sections are functionally different, although all parts of the brain ultimately work together. The frontal lobe is in charge of our higher thinking, reasoning, planning, problem solving, and emotions. The parietal lobe is responsible for perceptions such as touch, pain, and temperature. The temporal lobe is in charge of our hearing and memory. The occipital lobe is in charge of our vision, including depth and color perception. So now you're probably wondering, what does the brain actually do? How does it work? Well, the functional units of the brain are called neurons. These are cells which can have many shapes, but they all have the same function. They transmit the electrical impulses, or messages, from one side of the neuron, known as an axon, to the other side, known as a dendrite. And from the dendrite, the electrical message continues to the next neuron's axon, and then to the next, and then to the next after that. Information from specialized receptors on the outer surface or the inside of our body react to stimuli by creating electrical impulses which make their way from the peripheral nervous system up to our brain. There, the information is processed and instructions are sent to other parts of the body. What we experience, how we think and feel, and how we react to our surroundings are all the result of the collaborative effort of an enormous number of neurons working together and transmitting many electrical impulses throughout the different sections of our brain. So that's how the brain works.